Welcome back to another episode of Tech News Saturdays here on Tech Tomorrow. As always, we're your go-to source for the latest and most exciting breakthroughs in the world of technology. This week, we're diving into the future of augmented reality, quantum computing developments, AI-powered tablets, Apple's latest headset updates, iOS 18 features, and the highly anticipated Nintendo Switch 2. So grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's explore what's happening in the world of tech. 1. Meta's Orion AR smart glasses. Prototype kicking off today's episode, we have an exciting update from Meta with their Orion AR smart glasses prototype. This is Meta's boldest move yet in the augmented reality space. And it's not just a theoretical concept, it's a working prototype. What makes the Orion glasses stand out is how they push the boundaries of AR tech. The glasses integrate high-quality optics that merge digital content with the real world in a more seamless way than we've seen from previous AR attempts. Meta's prototype is designed with daily use in mind, targeting not just gamers or tech enthusiasts, but the everyday user. Imagine walking down the street and seeing real-time directions, or working in a collaborative office environment where you can pull up 3D models right in front of your eyes. Early hands-on reviews report impressive responsiveness, clear visuals, and a lightweight, comfortable design, a critical factor for any wearable tech. But here's what's even more intriguing. Meta's plans for Orion aren't just limited to entertainment and social applications. They're exploring uses in industries like healthcare, education, and even retail, potentially revolutionizing how we interact with the digital world in a physical space. With Meta doubling down on its AR vision, could Orion be the device that finally makes augmented reality a staple in our everyday lives? The future looks promising, but competition is heating up with other players like Apple and Google in the race. Meta is definitely aiming to lead the charge, and we can't wait to see how this plays out in the coming months. 2. IBM opens quantum computing stack to third parties. Now let's shift gears to a development that could shape the future of computing as we know it. IBM is opening its quantum computing stack to third-party developers. This is a monumental shift in how quantum technology is being rolled out. Quantum computing, which leverages the principles of quantum mechanics to process information far more efficiently than traditional computing, has long been viewed as a technology of the distant future. But IBM's latest move suggests that the future might be closer than we think. By opening its quantum stack, IBM is effectively democratizing access to quantum computing, which could drastically accelerate the research and development of quantum applications. This is huge for industries like pharmaceuticals, finance, and logistics, where quantum's ability to solve complex problems, like optimizing supply chains or simulating molecular interactions for drug discovery, could lead to groundbreaking innovations. What's even more interesting is that IBM is encouraging third parties to build their own applications on top of its quantum framework. This means that startups, universities, and even large corporations can now experiment with quantum technology without having to develop the infrastructure from scratch. And it's not just about the hardware. IBM's stack includes software tools that make it easier for developers to create quantum algorithms. This move is likely to spark an explosion of new research and development in quantum computing, potentially fast-tracking its integration into various sectors of the economy. So while we might still be a few years away from quantum computing being mainstream, IBM's initiative is a major step forward. It's definitely worth keeping an eye on this space as it evolves. 3. Samsung Galaxy S10 tablets with AI and S Pen. Moving on to the latest in mobile technology, Samsung has just unveiled its Galaxy S10 tablets, and they're making waves with new AI features and enhancements to the S Pen. The Galaxy S10 series is designed to be a productivity powerhouse, integrating AI into every aspect of its functionality. The most noticeable improvements are in how the AI interacts with the user. Think advanced voice recognition, intelligent multitasking, and real-time predictive tools that help you get things done faster. The S Pen, already a fan favorite, has also been upgraded with features like real-time translation, which lets you hover the pen over text to instantly translate between languages. It's not just about text, though. The pen is also enhanced for graphic design, offering better precision and new tools for artists and professionals who need a versatile input device. Plus, the tablet's AI can now optimize performance based on your usage patterns. So, whether you're streaming videos, editing photos, or working with multiple apps, the Galaxy S10 intelligently manages resources to ensure smooth operation. Samsung's inclusion of AI-enhanced photography takes things to another level. The cameras are now capable of recognizing scenes and adjusting settings automatically to capture the best shot, whether it's a sunny day at the beach or a low-light dinner setting. Combine that with the larger, sharper display, and the Galaxy S10 is setting a new standard for what a tablet can do, blending productivity, entertainment, and creativity seamlessly. It's a clear challenge to Apple's dominance in the tablet market, and it's exciting to see where Samsung's innovation will take us next. 4. Apple Vision Pro M5 chip refresh. In more Apple news, we've got a major update on the highly anticipated Vision Pro AR headset. According to reports, Apple is gearing up to refresh the Vision Pro with a brand new M5 chip. Now, this is big because the current Vision Pro has already impressed with its power and performance, but the M5 chip could take things to a whole new level. Early leaks suggest that the new chip will significantly boost both processing power and battery efficiency, two areas where AR headsets have traditionally struggled. The M5 chip is expected to handle more advanced AR tasks, allowing users to interact with multiple layers of digital content in real time. Imagine being able to open a virtual workspace, interact with colleagues in 3D, and access your files and tools all without leaving the headset. Apple is also reportedly working on improving the headset's display quality, making it sharper and more immersive. The goal is to make the Vision Pro an indispensable tool for professionals in fields like design, architecture, and engineering, as well as a go-to device for entertainment and gaming. With the Vision Pro, Apple is doubling down on its AR future. It's clear that Apple sees augmented reality as the next big computing platform, and the Vision Pro is their flagship device in this emerging space. The M5 chip refresh could be the key to pushing the Vision Pro past its competitors, making it the go-to device for AR enthusiasts and professionals alike. We'll be watching closely as Apple continues to refine and perfect this groundbreaking technology. 5. iOS 18's best new features. Next, let's talk about iOS 18 and its game-changing features. Apple's latest operating system is all about enhancing the user experience with a blend of AI-powered tools and greater customization options. For starters, iOS 18 introduces Adaptive UI, a feature that adjusts the layout of your phone based on your usage patterns. Whether you're constantly switching between apps or need quick access to certain features, the Adaptive UI will learn from your behavior and optimize the interface to suit your needs. Privacy is also a huge focus in iOS 18, with enhanced security features that give you more control over your personal data. Apple has added new privacy reports that show you which apps are accessing your information in real time, giving you the option to restrict or allow access as needed. One of the coolest new features is the AI-driven photo organizer. Gone are the days of scrolling endlessly to find that one photo. The AI automatically categorizes your photos based on context, people, and even events, making it much easier to organize and share your memories. And let's not forget about Siri, which has gotten smarter and more intuitive, providing context-based responses and learning from your daily routines to offer more relevant suggestions. iOS 18 is packed with innovations, and it's definitely worth the upgrade. 6. Nintendo Switch 2, new design and specs. Finally, we end today's episode with some exciting leaks about the highly anticipated Nintendo Switch 2. According to recent reports, The new Switch will feature an OLED display, which promises better color accuracy, deeper blacks, and overall more vibrant visuals. This is a big upgrade from the current LCD display, making it more appealing to gamers who care about high-quality graphics. What's even more exciting is that the Switch 2 is rumored to have significantly improved processing power. It will reportedly come with a custom NVIDIA chipset that can support ray tracing and DLSS, deep learning super sampling, making the gaming experience much more immersive and visually stunning. Additionally, the new design will feature improved Joy-Con controllers with better ergonomics and durability. There are also whispers about backward compatibility, which would be a huge win for fans of the original Switch. With this new hardware, Nintendo is clearly positioning itself to stay competitive with next-gen consoles from Sony and Microsoft. The Switch 2 could redefine portable gaming once again, and we're excited to see how it all unfolds. And that wraps up another episode of Tech News Saturdays. From Meta's groundbreaking AR glasses and IBM's quantum computing revolution to Samsung's AI tablets, Apple's Vision Pro upgrades, iOS 18's standout features, and the next-gen Nintendo Switch, we've covered a lot of ground. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Tomorrow, and we'll see you in the next episode.